Hey everybody, thank you so much for being here. I know it's already past 5 and the reception is just a few minutes away, so really appreciate you taking the time. So today I'm going to be talking about how large language models are impacting computer vision. I know that there have already been a few talks on this or adjacent topics, so I'm going to try to keep it as different and as new as possible. But bear with me if there's a little bit of overlap. So just before we get started, my name is Jacob. I work for Voxel51. We are a company dedicated to bringing transparency and clarity to the world's data, particularly visual data, images, videos, point clouds, meshes, things like that. And we are the lead maintainers of the open source 51 toolkit, which many of you may have heard of. Now, multimodality has been one of the big themes of this entire conference so far. It was a big part of the keynote. It's a big part of a lot of the expo hall booths. It's everywhere. And one could even argue that it's the theme of the year so far. So what about multimodality is so exciting? It's, to me, the interactivity that it enables. It provides you with all these new ways of interacting with the world and with your data and everything else. So here we just have one specific example of this. We have GPT-4 Vision with all of its tools that it has access to. And the user puts in an image of a capybara. And with that, it says, make this into a certain style. And given the vision and text knowledge that the model has, it's able to take those two and kind of blend them together to generate this additional image. And then you can go forward and continue to iterate and interactively work with your data and to build something new. So you're creating novel things either out of components or out of these multiple modalities that you are putting together in unique ways. And multimodality is not just something that is restricted to chat interfaces. It has already made it all the way into the forefront, the cutting edge of computer vision research and engineering these days. And as a case in point of this, you can see, as I've done here, I've scraped all of the paper titles from CVPR for the past 10 years and looked at the occurrences of the words multimodal and language. And language disproportionately has skyrocketed, even when you account for the number of papers increasing over time. So this is something that has kind of bled into the way we think about vision itself, the connection between language and vision. But what does this actually mean for us? So what I want to talk about in this talk is what is going on here. What is groundbreaking? What is hype? How are large language models interfacing with vision and visual data? And what can we expect moving forward?